Okay, friends, I'm back. Let me zoom it in a little bit. Ooh, that's too much. You have it in front of you. So, friends, you need to try to do this on your own. Pause it. Molly, that was me. You see? Good guard dog. Nope, she doesn't believe it. Okay, so try, you can let her out. Try to do this with me. Molly's tired of math, apparently. I'm not. So Brenton drew a rectangle that is 6 inches long and 5 inches wide. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? So we know that if one side is 6, the other has to be 6. So we'll say 6 plus 6, and then plus 5 plus 5 to find perimeter, distance around. So I know 6 plus 6. Make sure you're figuring these out on your own, and that you already did this, is 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10 is 22. Ariana, hi Ariana, has 20 feet of fencing to put around a rectangular section of her lawn. The fencing must go around the perimeter of the rectangular section with no overlap. Choose yes or no whether Ariana has exactly enough fencing for each rectangle shown. The area is 1 square foot. Okay, so 20 feet of fencing. Can we get, if we add up all of the sides, will it be 20 is what we need to know. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so she only has 20 feet of fencing. But wait a minute. This, just one side is 20. So that's going to be a big old no. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. That means that is 8. 2 and 2. You know, 8 and 2 make 10. 8 and 2 make 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like a square to me. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was mistaken. It is certainly not. Okay, 5 and 5 is 10. 4 and 4 is 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. So the question asked not if we had enough, but it asked if we had exactly enough. So we have enough, but then we have leftover. So because it used the words exactly enough, I would say no. Although we would have enough. The wording here is a little off, so I hope you understand that. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my square I was looking for. Let's see if we'll have enough. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, yes. Remember, we're not solving for area, we're solving for perimeter. Okay, which of the following is an example of perimeter? Circle the letter for all that apply. Grass covering a backyard. Think about it. The grass covering your backyard? No, when you're covering something, that's area. Strike through. The border, the outside around a picture. Think about it. Yes. Carpet in a room. That's like covering. No. The fence around a park. So we're talking about around. Yeah. The amount of water in a swimming pool. What are these people even talking about? Nope, that's liquid volume. Okay. We're getting there, friends. Look at the rectangle below. The area of each square is 1 square unit. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangle. I love that. I love it when it does both. Let's find the perimeter first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means that is also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love 10s. Love them, love them. 6 and 10, 4. 6 and 10, 4. So Did I just say 6 and, wow. Sorry guys, I might be done with math. I'm doing this all in one sitting. So 6 and 4, 10. 6 and 4, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. You could have gone and added one by one each side as well. The area, length times width equals area. 6 times 4, 6, 12, 18, 24. And they put square units for you. Thank you. Use the grid to draw a rectangle that has the same perimeter but a different area than the rectangle in part A. Well, that's this bad boy. So we're going to use this, which is nice that they gave this to us. We don't have to draw our rectangles and use our imaginations. Write the perimeter and area of your new rectangle. So it's got to have the same perimeter. And I knew my perimeter was 20. So I'm going to take half of 20, which is 10, and figure out 2 addends that can give me a total of 10. Something plus something equals 10. Okay, you can start low. Maybe you just know. So first thing I'm going to go to, 5 and 5. So any one you chose, if it equals 10, it's a go. All right? And it has to have a different area. So I know length times width equals area. 5 times 5 is 25, and this is 24. So that would be different. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boy, I wish they gave us this box on all of them. Okay, so 5. So the perimeter is going to be 20. That's what they told us we needed to do. The area, 5 times 5, 25 square units. Part C, use the grid to draw the rectangle that has the same area but different perimeter than the rectangle in part A. Write the perimeter and area of your new rectangle. So we need to have something that has an area of 25. Oh, excuse me. Part A, I apologize, of 24. Perimeter, area of 24. So what times what? Sorry, my allergies are acting up too. So what times what equals 24? And that's where you're just going to have to go through. Hopefully you went through. Start small, get bigger. I'm just going to go starting small, 2, and I know 12. So anything you did to equal 24, whether it was 3 times 8, 4 times 6, or whatever combination, switching the factors of those, or 1 and 24, or 24 and 1, I'm going 2 and 12, okay? So I'm going to have, how many up does this go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm going to have to do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and 2 up. Okay, 2 and 12, and 2 and 12. So my perimeter here, I'm going to do 12 and 12, which is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So this now has a perimeter of 28, and the area is 24. Oh boy, we did it, friends. I realized this lesson, why it takes so long. It jumps around, between the area and the perimeter, and that makes it a little more difficult. Trying to see. Good. Okay. After you finish this, it is on to your practice book, and I will make some videos to go over those pages coming up. All right, I hope you hung in there with me. You are all awesome. If you don't understand something, go back and look at it. You can do this. Just don't get too confused. Take a breath when you get confused. Area is what it covers. Perimeter is distance around. Okay, have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.